Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you today a pattern that I got off of TikTok. It is the Allspice apron. It's Hey June handmade. So here's her credit. Thank you, June. Okay, so I did do my own modifications on it as always. Like the pocket for her pattern that she shared is, this is the pattern. You could print it off the website for free. Now, her pocket is a rectangle, and it goes right here on the apron. But I took and I modified mine, as you can see here. I made a little pocket sleeve here so that I can stick my hand in. I close the top so I can have both of my hands in there. So I'm going to just show you really quick how easy this is. And again, here's her pattern piece. And then what I came along and did was I put my hand here and I measured the width of my hand. I made myself a little seam allowance and I lined mine and placed it on the pattern. So I just wanted to show you how quick this is to come together. So you're going to take 1.5 yards of fabric and you're going to put the pattern on the fold. Now this is a canvas fabric that I purchased. The one that I'm wearing is actually a cotton, but the underside is a cape, a hairdressing cape, because of course I'm a hairdresser and I wanted something that was cute but yet gave me the protection of chemicals. So this is why I decided I'd try mine this way to see how it is. So this really comes done really quick, because all I did before you got here was just lay out my fabric. And of course I don't keep my fabric on the fold that it comes with, because then I have all that waste fabric on the end. So what I do is I take my fabric and move it over to where I can get the most out of my yardage. Now with this one, I'm going to be serging the edges and folding it under 1/4 inch. And this is a crisscross in the back apron. Let me see. Crisscross on the back. Let me just get all this excess fabric out. We're going to be cutting from the bottom our pocket. But I have so much fabric at the end that I don't need to waste this here. I have all this extra yardage, which I can turn it into a little bag or something with the scraps. So that is that. What did I do with that little piece? Okay, here's our other piece here. And I'm just going to take this, give it a little rotation here. I have it all clipped on the side here with my little clips. Keep everything in place. And guys, this is as easy as it was. Oh, I'll show you what I did do. I bought this, what a lot of people consider examination table roll of paper. So I took my original pattern design I chose the size that I wanted out of it, and I traced it onto my exam paper, and that's how I got that pattern created in my size. You can get it on Amazon as I did. So honestly, look at how quick and easy this is. Like I said, I'm gonna serge my edges, but in her instructions, it calls for binding. And if you don't do binding, I guess you could do whatever method that is more convenient for you. So I'm gonna be heading out to work in a few minutes, but I set myself a 20-minute timer to do this whole project. Let me see what I'm at. I'm at only 8 minutes into the 20 minutes. Pretty quick. Because I don't want to be late for work. But if you're a crafaholic like I am, then you'll understand why you gotta get things done. Otherwise, you'll be at work thinking, oh, I wanted to get that done today. And I'm gonna show you really quick. You know what? I think I can get the pocket out of this one. So this is all cut out. It's just one whole piece, quick and easy. Let me see if I can get that pocket out of here. I waste no fabric. That's not how I play this. So let's see. I'll fold this over. Yes, I have plenty of material here. This is the underarm area that I just cut out. So you're going to want to, leave enough where you can cut everything out. I'm going to use my little clips on the fold, as I did before. Cut out my pattern for the pocket. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. No wasted material. I guess you could use whatever you have at home if you're making it for yourself at home. Heck, you could even make it out of a bed sheet that you don't want to use. All right, guys, so this is it here. This will be the pocket. So I will serge the edges all around, and I will just fold it down just a little bit. And this is on the bias, so it's going to be an easy fold. Look at that. It's going to be an easy fold. So after I finish serging it, I'll put that on. And that's the whole pattern. This is why I love sewing. This is why I love creating. Look at all this extra fabric that I have. I'm going to definitely turn this into a tote. So I'm also picky when it comes to folding my material. So for now, this is how it's going to stay. Now, the way this goes is I will fold it for you and show you how it's going to go together. Take my pattern off. So what you do is you're going to open up your pattern, your fabric. And the way it works is you're going to take the right side. You're going to attach it to the left side. And then you're going to take your left side and attach it to your right side. And that's it. This is the whole project right here. And to sew it, it's just as fast. Because really, when you realize, you're going to start sewing here and you're going to go all the way around. It's only going to be one time you stop. That's where you start and that's where you're going to end. And then, let's turn this around. Isn't this fabric beautiful? I got this at Joann's. Let me see where my pocket's gonna go. So this would be the center. And my pocket is going to be, let's center this. My pocket will be right there. This is the whole entire process. And my timer hasn't gone off yet. And I gave myself 20 minutes. Honestly, all I did was throw the fabric on here, fold it. I clipped it. You saw the whole process. And this is what it's going to look like. All right, guys. Like I said, let me get her name so she can get her credit. I got 2 minutes on my clock here, my timer. 2 minutes. I did 20 minutes on here because I have to go to work. This is her information. You can click on that, take a screenshot. And if I can open this in 20 seconds, I could show you her TikTok. Because I saved it.
It's time to revisit one of my favorite patterns. My mom asked me to make her this crossback apron, so I did, out of this soft cotton canvas. This is how I mark the front center so that I can match up the pocket once I'm attaching everything together. In order to have that crossback effect, I need to attach the right front to the left back and vice versa. I do this using French seams so that the seam will be encased. So I sew them wrong sides together, trim down the edge, iron it.
All right, I don't know how much of this I can show because it's not mine, but yeah, this is hers. As you can see, her pocket, let's get this timer out of the way. It's a rectangle, but I like mine. Insert my hand in here. Just measure the width of your hand, and my timer still hasn't gone off. So check it out. Just take the rectangle that she has and measure the width of your hand. Sew it on the top, sew it down on the bottom, and voila. Guys, I hope you've had fun with me these few minutes. And you try this at home. Remember to go online to get your free pattern from the website. It's Hey June Handmade Allspice Apron. Cut on one fold, 1.5 yards. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of the apron, the process. I'm trying to get into the camera so you can see in the back. There goes my timer. 20 minutes. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like this little tutorial. You go to this Hey June, get your own pattern and create these. They have all these sizes. Where is it? There you go. All of these sizes. It's a great project, quick and easy, and you can make some extra money if you want. All right, guys, make it for your family. for your friends. Enjoy. Thank you. Leave me comments and questions. A thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can enjoy more of my other projects. Thank you.